Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Crushon AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open any type of browser on your PC and then go to Google and search for Crushon AI. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and you will see this is the main interface. Now you can either sign up or click on sign in. This works anyways, so if you are new to Crushon and don't have an account, you can sign up using Google, Apple, Discord or your email address. I'm going to teach you by signing in or signing up using Google. Just go ahead and tap on Google and you can see your Gmail over here. So I'll go ahead and select a Google account and then write my password. Then I can check my password and click next. So if this password is incorrect, you can go ahead and try keeping your new password. Go ahead and click next again. And afterwards, you can log into your account. So you must give the authorization to Crushon. Just go ahead and click on OK or continue to sign in to Crushon. And there you go. You can go to the home screen and you can see that your profile is ready. So guys, this is how you sign up for Crushon AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.